Hey there folks, Mike Rowe here. We're going to talk about something close to all of us: food. Specifically how we're going to feed a growing planet with less land and fewer resources. The answer? Agriculture 4.0. Now you've heard of the Industrial Revolution, right? Big machines, factories, changing the world. Well, Agriculture 4.0 is like that, but for farms. Think robots planting seeds, drones checking crops, and computers analyzing data to help farmers make better decisions. This ain't science fiction, folks, it's happening right now. And it's not just about making things easier for farmers, it's about growing more food, using less water and chemicals, and making sure our farms are around for generations to come. So, buckle up. We're about to take a ride into the future of farming, and trust me, it's gonna be a wild one. Remember the days when farmers walked their fields, feeling the soil, checking the plants? They relied on their instincts and years of experience to make decisions about their crops. It was a time-consuming and labor-intensive process, but it was the only way they knew. Well, now they've got high-tech helpers. The modern farmer's toolkit includes tablets, drones, and tractors equipped with the latest technology. Precision agriculture is all about using technology to farm smarter, not harder. With GPS equipment and advanced farming techniques, farmers can now manage their fields with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine this: a farmer sitting in his truck, looking at a computer screen that shows him exactly where his crops need water, fertilizer, or even pesticides. This real-time data allows for precise application, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. That's precision agriculture in action. It's a game changer for the farming industry, making it possible to produce more with less. Sensors in the ground, drones in the air, and even satellites in space are sending real-time data about the fields. This technology provides a comprehensive view of the farm, from soil moisture levels to crop health. This means farmers can use just the right amount of resources exactly where they're needed. Precision irrigation and spraying ensure that every drop of water and every ounce of fertilizer is used efficiently. No more guessing games, no more waste. Farmers can now make data-driven decisions that optimize their resources and maximize their yields. That's good for the farmer's bottom line, and even better for the environment. Sustainable farming practices help preserve natural resources and reduce the environmental impact of agriculture. And it's not just about what's happening on the ground. The sky is also playing a crucial role in modern farming. Weather stations and satellites provide up-to-the-minute forecasts, so farmers know exactly when to plant, irrigate, and harvest. This information helps them avoid adverse weather conditions and make the most of favorable ones. Talk about staying one step ahead. With all this technology at their fingertips, farmers are more equipped than ever to meet the challenges of modern agriculture. Land is precious, especially when it comes to farming. But what if we could grow food without needing acres and acres of land? That's the idea behind vertical farming. Think of it like a skyscraper, but instead of offices, it's filled with plants. Crops are grown in stacked layers, often indoors, under carefully controlled conditions. LED lights mimic sunlight, and water and nutrients are delivered directly to the roots. The benefits are huge. Vertical farms use way less water and land than traditional farms, plus they can grow food year-round regardless of the weather outside. No droughts, no floods, just a steady supply of fresh produce. Now, vertical farming isn't going to replace traditional farms entirely, but it's a game changer for urban areas and regions with limited farmland. It's fresh local food grown right in your backyard, or should I say, your back skyscraper. Now let's talk about something a little controversial: genetic engineering. This field has sparked a lot of debates and discussions over the years. Some folks hear GMO and get nervous, but the truth is, we've been modifying crops for centuries. Long before modern science, farmers were selecting the best seeds and crossbreeding plants to enhance desirable traits. Think about it, crossbreeding plants to get the best traits? That's genetic modification too. It's just that now, we have more advanced tools and a deeper understanding of genetics. What's different now is that we have tools like CRISPR-Cas9, which allow us to make very precise changes to a plant's DNA. This precision means we can target specific genes without affecting others. We can develop crops that are resistant to pests and diseases, tolerant to drought, and more nutritious. Imagine crops that can grow in harsh conditions or provide essential vitamins and minerals. Take drought-tolerant rice, for example. This innovation can be a game changer for regions that struggle with water scarcity. In many parts of the world, water is scarce, and rice is a staple crop. Ensuring that rice can grow with less water is crucial for food security. By engineering rice varieties that can thrive with less water, we can help ensure food security for millions of people. This not only supports farmers but also helps communities become more resilient. Of course, like any technology, genetic engineering comes with risks and ethical considerations. It's important to weigh the benefits against the potential downsides, but used responsibly, it has the potential to revolutionize agriculture and help us feed a growing planet. With careful regulation and ongoing research, we can harness this technology for the greater good. Section 5. Sustainable Practices. Nurturing the land for future generations. Farming isn't just about this season's harvest. It's about preserving the land for generations to come. That's where sustainable practices come in. Remember the Dust Bowl? That was a stark reminder of what happens when we don't take care of our soil. Sustainable farming is all about working with nature, not against it. Think crop rotation. Planting different crops each year to break pest cycles and improve soil health. Or cover cropping, planting non-cash crops to prevent erosion and replenish nutrients. And let's not forget about reducing tillage, minimizing the disturbance to the soil structure. These practices not only benefit the environment but also make good business sense. Healthy soil means healthier crops, higher yields, and a more sustainable future for farming. Section 6. Robotics and automation machines lend a hand on the farm. Remember those sci-fi movies with robots doing all the work? Well, in agriculture, that future is now. Farmers are facing labor shortages and robots are stepping up to fill the gap. We're talking autonomous tractors that can plow, plant, and harvest crops with minimal human intervention. We're talking robotic weeders that can identify and remove weeds with pinpoint accuracy, reducing the need for herbicides. And we're talking about AI-powered sorting machines that can grade and package produce with speed and precision. Now, some folks worry that robots will replace farmers altogether, but that's not the case. These machines are designed to assist farmers, not replace them. They handle the repetitive, physically demanding tasks, freeing up farmers to focus on more specialized work. Section 7. Blockchain technology, from farm to fork, transparency, every step of the way. Ever wonder where your food comes from? How it was grown, processed, and transported to your local store? With blockchain technology, you don't have to wonder anymore. This revolutionary technology provides a transparent and secure way to track the journey of your food. Blockchain is like a digital ledger that tracks every step in the supply chain, from the farm where the food was grown to the store where you buy it. It ensures that every transaction is recorded and verified. Here's how it works. Every time a product changes hands, from the farmer to the processor to the distributor, that transaction is recorded on the blockchain. This means that every step is documented and can be traced back. This creates a permanent, tamper-proof record that can be accessed by anyone in the supply chain. It provides a level of security and transparency that was previously unattainable. This has huge implications for food safety and transparency. It means that every stakeholder, from farmers to consumers, can trust the information they receive about their food. If there's a problem with a product, say, a contamination outbreak, blockchain can help pinpoint the source quickly and efficiently. This rapid response can prevent further issues and ensure that only safe products reach consumers. Consumers can scan a QR code and see exactly where their food came from, how it was grown, and how it got to their plate. This level of transparency empowers consumers to make informed choices about the food they eat. Section 8. AI and space technology. A stellar combination for agriculture. Remember those satellites we talked about earlier? They're not just providing weather forecasts, they're also collecting valuable data about our planet, including our farmland. And that's where AI comes in. Artificial intelligence is like giving a brain to all that data. AI algorithms can analyze satellite images to monitor crop health, identify pests and diseases, and even predict yields. This information helps farmers make better decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. And it's not just satellites. Drones equipped with multispectral cameras can capture even more detailed images of crops, providing insights into plant stress, nutrient deficiencies, and irrigation needs. Talk about a bird's-eye view, literally. Section 9. Conclusion. A Bountiful Future with Agriculture 4.0. So there you have it, folks. Agriculture 4.0 is transforming the way we grow food, making it more efficient, sustainable, and resilient. From precision agriculture to vertical farming, from robots to blockchain, these technologies are revolutionizing the industry. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but is it really the future of farming? Well, I'm not a fortune teller, but I can tell you this. The challenges facing agriculture are real. We need to produce more food with fewer resources, and we need to do it in a way that protects our planet. Agriculture 4.0 isn't a silver bullet, but it's a toolbox filled with innovative solutions. It's up to us to use these tools wisely and responsibly to create a brighter future for agriculture and for all of us.